Hi, scientists. It's me, Miss Harris. Can you believe how many things come from an egg? I had no idea. Snakes, turtles, chickens, frogs, birds, alligators. So many different things come from eggs. Today, can you help me make a mystery what's inside egg? Let me show you how. I started with just a piece of white paper today and I cut a big oval out of it because an egg is the shape of an oval. So then I ended up with this big oval. See the oval? And then I cracked my egg. See how I cracked it? Okay. And then I have two pieces. After I cracked my egg, I glued one half, the bottom half, on a piece of paper. Okay. Now, after I glued that on a piece of paper, I'm going to write some words. You ready to see what my words say? They're going to say, what is inside? Got it? Now, I want you, don't tell anybody, it's a secret. Think about your favorite thing that comes from an egg. Your favorite animal that comes from an egg. You got it? Okay, you're going to make one of those out of paper. After you do that, you're going to glue it in and you're going to put a little bit of glue on the top part of the egg so it covers it up. Okay, so inside my egg is a mystery. Do you want to guess what I have inside my egg? You want to guess what is inside? Okay, ready? I'm going to count to 3. When I say 3, tell me what your guess is. 1, 2, 3. Maybe. Let's see if you're right. What is inside my egg? Dun da da! What is it? He says, I am a snake. Inside my egg was a snake. I almost did a turtle. I could have done a chicken or a bird or a crocodile or a frog or a fish. I could do all kinds of things that come from an egg. Today, scientists, your job is to make your own mystery egg to see what is inside. And when you're finished, I want you to take a picture of it and put it on our media album so all of our friends can guess what is inside. Bye-bye.